I'm going to show you a simple recipe to do waffle cones with nut as a snack. For that I'm using about half a cup of almonds, half a cup of peanuts and another half a cup of hazelnuts, and I haven't had much cashew left, about quarter cup of cashew. It's best to use half. I'm going to roast the nuts first and I'll show you how to do the waffle rolls after. To make the waffle cones, I'm doing a big quantity. I'm using 300 grams flour, 5 eggs, 200 grams sugar, a drop of vanilla and 250 grams butter melted. So let's do the dough. For that, add the butter, the melted butter into the flour. Into that add the vanilla and the sugar. Mix. Now into that break the eggs one by one. Another one. The consistency has to be like this. I roasted the nuts. I'm going to add into a grinder and grind bit by bit. Do a coarse grinding. It's okay to have little bit of pieces. Put it into a bowl. Now into the nuts add the raisins. If you like to add a little bit of chocolate bits, mix. When you have a waffle roll, the nuts can come out when you are eating. So to bind it, I'm going to add some honey. So while adding the honey, mix the nuts and the chocolate with it. So it is ready. This consistency will be okay. To do the rolls, preheat your waffle maker and put a spoonful of the mix into it. And press. When it starts browning up, keep an eye on it and take it out quickly onto a baking paper like this. Then a spoonful of the nut mix in the middle and roll it tightly like this, and it will hold the shape. So leave it on a tray. So I'm going to do the next one. These are very simple things that you can do than doing very complicated sweets and this. So I finished making these beautiful waffle rolls with nuts. You can store these in airtight containers. You can wrap these as gifts for Christmas or even for any other function, and make sure to seal them properly in an airtight containers or individual bags. I opened one to show you. It's really nice and crunchy and crispy too. If you store in airtight containers, it will stay up to a month. Hope you will enjoy this. Try this recipe and leave me a comment.